Hello and happy holidays! My name is Lindy Hawes of Love the Day, and I'm here today to show you how to make these oversized peppermints that were featured in the Michaels Holiday Lookbook this year. These peppermints are really easy to make and only require a few simple supplies. Here are the supplies you're going to need. First of all, these oversized styrofoam discs. I found these at Michaels. You can also get them on Amazon. I'll put a link in the comments. There is a 12-inch and an 8-inch round is what we'll be using. You're going to need 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. I'm using the Cricut brand, but any brand works. You can do your peppermints all red. You can do red and pink, whatever color you like. You'll also need your Cricut machine. I'm using the Cricut Maker, but an Explorer 2 works great for this project as well. And then you'll need a glue gun. And the number one thing you're gonna need is a template. And that's what I've designed for you. You can find it in my shop at Love the Day. I'm gonna show you how to find it, and then we can get started with the project. So what you're going to do is you're gonna head to lovetheDayShop.com. You're gonna move over to bundles, and you see this gingerbread Christmas bundle. And the best part about this is not only will you get the files for the peppermint, but you'll get files for a gingerbread garland or toppers, a Christmas treats box, and the cutest 3D gingerbread house printables you've ever seen in your whole life. So once you find this, you add to cart, you buy it, it will end up on your desktop, and we can get started. Now that you have purchased your Love the Day gingerbread bundle, we are going to upload our peppermint SVG files into Cricut Design Space. So as you can see, I have a brand new canvas open. What we're going to do is we're going to upload an image, browse, and my peppermints are already on my desktop. So I'm going to click on those, save them, click on them, and I'm going to insert those images into my canvas. You know, these peppermints I've designed exactly to fit the 12-inch and the 8-inch round, so you don't need to resize them or touch them at all. What we do want to do is ungroup them, and if you want to just make peppermints like scrapbook paper peppermints, then you can leave that white circle behind if you don't have, you know, the styrofoam disc. But because we have the disc, we're going to delete our white rounds because we don't need those cut out. Now you can just see we have our peppermint slices, and we're just going to press make it and let the Cricut machine cut out these shapes for us. Okay, now that we have our pieces all cut, we can start assembling our peppermints. I will say, if you don't have a Cricut Maker or a Cricut machine, I also created printables that will print these shapes that you can cut out and get the exact same results. So that file that you purchased, it also includes a printable that will make these peppermints. So, okay, let's get going. Let's start with the big one. I'm gonna do both red and pink because pink's my favorite. And all you do is you take your hot glue gun and watch your fingers. And you're gonna start on one side. It doesn't really matter where you put this first one. It'll kind of be your anchor piece. Okay, and then from there, we'll do our second, oh, it's hot. Our second piece. You're gonna wanna go directly across from that first piece. And you can see we're just gonna kind of start building a grid. So your third piece is actually gonna go straight up top. So we're gonna kind of create a, I don't know, cross. And then, all right, I just put the fourth piece down. We're gonna repeat with the pink, but then put them on at an angle. So you can see you're gonna wanna put that right in the center of those two red pieces. There you go. And like I said, this is the easiest craft ever. It's cut and glue. So So, oops, hot. Okay. Very pink, and if pieces come up, you can just kind of glue. Put that right in the middle. And there we go. We have our oversized peppermint. I'm gonna go ahead and make this small one. There you have it. You have your oversized peppermints that are perfect for your banister, your Christmas tree, anything you want with a little extra pow. Thanks again for staying and crafting with me. My name is Lindy Haas of Love the Day. I'd love for you to come visit my site and over on Instagram. Have a happy holiday.